Good morning everyone, we the student of 8 star. Today we are going to explain the topic of circle with the help of an activity. So we start it by circle, a closed shape where all points on its boundary are equal distance from the center point. So first one is Pooja's sister. She is define the topic of radius of the circle.
Radius, the distance from the circle from any point on its perimeter is called radius. It is look like this. This is a white line is a radius and a yellow point is a circle. Or now next the Harsh brother define the diameter.
A straight line segment that passes through the center of the circle is called diameter. This is look like this. The white line is called diameter. Now next is Janvi's sister who will define the topic of chord.
A straight line segment holds and point line on circumference of circle. It is like this. White line is diameter, yellow line is chord. Now next Pushpa's sister define the arc. Arc, a continuous curved segment or portions of the circle circumference defined by two endpoints is called arc. It is look like this. This is circle, the white boundary is called arc. Now next is Amit brother. He will define the topic of major segment of the circle.
Minor segment. The segment having smaller area, minor segment is equal to area of circle. The minus area of triangle. It look like this. This is a circle and the yellow part is minor segment. Now our brother will define the major segment of the circle.
Major segment. The line is bounded by a chord and its corresponding major are formula equal area of circle minus area of minor segment. It look like this, and this white portion is major segment. Next is Pulvi's sister. She will define the area of minor sector.
Area of minor sector. Theta by 360 pi r square. Pi equivalent 22 by 7. R is radius and theta is angle. It is look like this. The white portion is minor sector. Now the last one is girl brother. He will define the topic of major sector.
Area of major sector pi r square is equal to area of circle where pi is equal to 22 by 7 and r stand for radius. Pi r square is equal to area of circle. It is look like this. The gray part is area of major sector.
Have a nice day.